So our worthiness can be tied up with suffering. So that when we suffer, when we do something, even though we have resistance to it, then we're actually worthy or a good boy or girl. Hey, my name is Kees. I've seen a pattern with some of my clients that I've talked about with them, and it seems like suffering is a common identity. And what I mean here is that when we do something with resistance, we suffer. When we force ourselves to do something with resistance, we definitely suffer. Often as a young kid, we're taught in a way that if we suffer, then we're okay. Suffering as a sort of identity, that if we suffer, we are worthy. Right? We sort of get the insurance that our parents accept us, our parents think we're good enough as a young child, or we're not hassled to do anything more, right? We finish our homework. So our worthiness can be tied up with suffering. So that when we suffer, when we do something, even though we have resistance to it, then we're actually worthy or a good boy or girl. My invitation for you is to look at what you need to do to be worthy, to be good enough, to be connected, to be special, to be loved. Do you need to distort yourself in any way? And if so, in what way? Do you need to suffer? Do you need to work hard? Do you need to be a certain way? And the truth is, we don't have to suffer. We don't have to do anything with resistance, and we're already worthy. Another common feeling I've seen is that we're alone. And this identity of being alone is very interesting because we can never really be alone unless we isolate ourselves. We feel that we're separate and we isolate ourselves. We're not connected. Because when we feel we're separate, but we're still connected with other people, even though that the illusion of separation is there, then when we're connected, we can't feel alone. But if we believe in separation and we do not connect with other people or isolate ourselves, then we can have the illusion of being alone, which can run very, very deep. For example, Gabor Mate has this question, which I loved from his documentary, where he is saying, to who did you go as a kid or when something was wrong, when you were not feeling well? And when you say no one, that's like the first feeling of being alone, the first feeling of trauma he talked about. That's definitely a way that trauma can show up in us. My second invitation would be to see what you are doing to be whole, to be healed, to be good enough. For me, it was trying to be successful, trying to be good enough, trying to please people, trying to make sure that nobody could maybe have any complaints about me. I'm very interested in how this is for you. If you want, you can share down below. And if you're interested, we could talk about it and you can schedule a conversation in the comments. So, suffering as an identity, I've seen it quite a lot. So it was something I wanted to make a video about because I think more people in the world might be having this. And when we notice it, that's already a big step towards letting it go. So how much did you suffer today? Ask yourself that. Much love to you. Bye.